What's up, Pizza Punks? It's Missy, and today we're gonna be unboxing another BAM box. I don't think this one is the horror one though, because it usually has a sticker across the front, and this one doesn't have that. So this might just be the original plain BAM box. Do you hear that? There's like a bell in this box. I don't know, let's just open it up and see what we got. As always, you guys see before I do, even though there's just black tissue paper on top of this box. And again, like always, I just reach in the box and grab something out, and I don't know what it is, so let's go. First we have, ooh. So I'm assuming this is a horror one because it says BAM horror on this. This is our enamel pin, and it's a nun. And I freaking like this. I like nuns. They creep me out, but... So there's the pin. It's really fancy looking. And this one's actually a limited edition one because there was only 250 of this one made, which is freaking awesome. Found the bell. Is this the Krampus bell? Oh my god, I love Krampus so much. Krampus, however you pronounce it. Favorite movie, even though it was a little weird. This is awesome. So here's the bell, it says Krampus on it, and it's just really cool and like antique looking. And it jingles. Oh my lord, this is my favorite thing I've ever received in this box ever. Like completely my favorite thing. Next we have some money. This is actually cool as heck. So it's a $1 million bill, but it has Creature from the Black Lagoon on it. And this is really cool. There's like the monster and a lady. And then on this side, it just has him with his delightfully creepy looking fish lips. So there's that side. And there's the other. This is really freaking cool. Okay, so next we have this little square, and it's a little ATC, which is an artist trading card, of Coraline. Freaking love Coraline. On the back it says, you now own a one-of-a-kind hand-painted sketch card by professional sketch card artist Bionica Thompson. And it's got her autograph on the back. And it comes in this really cool little case to protect it. I wonder if this is a print or if it's an actual piece like that she actually drew. The back of it says it's authentically painted, so I'm assuming that it's like a real deal thing. It's not just a print. So here's a close-up. There's little Coraline. And then on the back, it's got the autograph and the authenticity card. And then the last two items I do believe are the prints and autographs that we get every month. So first we have this. Oh man, this is freaking cool. It is a like artist print of a like drawing or painting, whatever you want to call it, from Freddy vs. Jason, which was probably the weirdest movie I've ever seen in my life. But it's just got Jason up there and Freddy and them fighting at the bottom. And this one is number 538 out of 1500, which is pretty cool to have a low number one. And then the last one I'm gonna assume is the celebrity autograph, and it's this. It's a dude with his hands tied up with rubber bands. No idea. The back says, this 8x10 photo has been hand signed by Chad Lindbergh, who played Matthew in I Spit on Your Grave. Seen the movie on I think Netflix or something, but I never actually watched it, so there's that. Don't know the dude, sorry. And I don't think we got one of the little books this month. We didn't. And now I'm a little sad because I always liked looking through that book to see what we had that was like super limited and other things that you could have got, but I guess we don't get a book this month. So that was everything, guys. I really liked this box. Don't know who this is, so sorry about that, dude. Really dig in this Coraline little picture. But my favorite thing is the Krampus bell. This tissue paper needs to get out of my life. But okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. Sorry we didn't get to look through the book at the end. I'm not sure why I wasn't sent one of those. It's a little strange. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a super duper fantastic day. Mwah.